What are you doing up there?
Right now, I'm zip tying up the wire to go over to our conduit that's about to come up over here.
Why are you so loud? So what are you guys doing today, anyway?
Pulling wire. Adding cameras in, where are we? VintEdge Winery. So we're starting out in their casing room, I think they call it. We're adding 6 cameras, 3 along in front of the roll-up doors here for the loading bays. And then we've got 1 fisheye in the center and 2 fisheyes set up as 180s up on the walls there. So these are all gonna come down, big like 6 to 10 foot adjustable poles hanging off the I-beams up there. So we're just getting the wires pulled in at the moment. That's where we're at.
All right.
I couldn't have got any closer, bro. Really nice with it. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, do it again, do it again.
That's like double your height. Back at it. Putting up camera, putting up conduit, pulling wire.
It's the camera you're putting up right there.
It's a CF81-E. It's a fisheye, 360 degrees worth of viewing pleasure. It'll capture a whole lot, like basically a bubble from 360 degree going all the way around. So we'll be up on the wall, looking down and side to side, get it all.
What's up with you?
Nothing much, just put the conduit up for my wire right above us. Wrapped up a service loop up at the top rail up there. Now I'm just about to put this camera up on the mountain that I just put up.
That's all the wires pulled in for this one. Just to finish that last 360 in the middle. Yeah, no, trim these up, terminate them, land them. We're there.
You're bleeding, man.
Yeah, ain't got time to bleed.
You're bleeding, man.
I ain't got time to bleed.
So do you call yourself the Terminator?
I guess we could. Yeah. I am currently the Terminator. Where'd my white green go? There you are.
Gringo?
White green go.
You are a white gringo.
That's like I repeated myself. Huh? White green go. Got everything up, everything wired, everything down, terminated. We're done. Waiting for the ports to use on the switch, which ports we can use on the switch, but the work itself's done.